Happy birthday! If price does this, then I will do this. It's been a really good trading week. Pero nagtatampo na ako. Hey YouTube fam, welcome to this trading vlog. A real look into my life, into my trading and into my routine. I forget that sunsets hit differently when you're in the Philippines. Like, it's just crazy. Obviously on video the camera doesn't do it justice, but it's just so pretty. Sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a cheeky like. So I have been here for pretty much a month now. At the time of filming, it is Monday, November 6th. Landed in Philippines October 5, so yeah, a month. And it's been incredible. One thing that I can really say is I feel at peace. I feel like I'm meant to be here, I belong here. That's always a good sign whenever I'm making a big life change or a big life decision or choice. And that doesn't go to show that there's not day-to-day challenges, day-to-day stresses, but if we know that, okay, there's purpose to why I'm here and I'm at peace with it, it's like you can weather through whatever life shakes at you. So it's been very peaceful, that's what I can really say. Now in terms of routine, a lot of you guys are asking how has it been trading, you know, Asian session, Manila time zone. Manila time zone is actually really good. London Open is at 3 p.m. Manila, and then New York Open is at 7 p.m. in the evening. So for me personally, that's actually such a great benefit and change in terms of my routine and structure of my day, because it means, you know, I can wake up, I can do meetings, I can work on things back end, ideas or visions, or doing the other things that I'm here for. I can also then go do health and fitness, go to the gym. Then I come home, take a break, and then work on trading. Obviously I cannot be trading New York close, because then that would be like, you know, 3 a.m. in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning. Ultimately, it's been very peaceful. I feel blessed to be here, and the routine really works out for me. So all things are good. You guys can see here that price is pretty much bullish. It's turned bullish after it's been having sort of this push up, push down, push up, push down, and then a push up. So I'm anticipating continuation of all this bullish momentum. This was from NFP, but we'll have to see what happens. Obviously the first draw on liquidity is this buy side liquidity level up on this high. See how it reacts there. Then obviously we have this high, and so on and so forth. Understanding that price is bullish, identifying areas of where price may draw to, but then understanding that after the impulse, what happens is we tend to get a pullback. Where could we get a pullback? Now there's obviously, we have this bullish order block resting here, which also coupled with this fair value gap. And on an extreme case, you can see that price may even head to these sets of bearish order blocks down here as well. So the key is, for me, identifying areas where price may then pull back to, and seeing how it reacts here on the lower time frame, because it might just completely smash through, and then we'll see price slow down in this area as we may get a reaction on the lower time frame. If I was just to draw up a range in terms of premium discount, obviously the more high probable trades are going to be more into discount, but again, price doesn't have to get all the way down here. It may just come down here, push up, or price decides to go. We can understand it might get to the CE of this big imbalance here. So understanding that price may just come down here, tap it and go. All we can do is be prepared, have the scenarios and the sort of self-talk when we're doing our forecast that if price does this, then I will do this. What that means on a lower time frame is that it's completely valid to get involved on a short towards these areas, and then seeing how price reacts at these areas, as price may want to give us a long position. Letting price show its hands is the best way forward. Understanding there's so much opportunity, you don't have to be trading every single day, every single session. You don't have to catch them all, whatever Pokemon says. Stop being so addicted being in the market, because you don't have to trade every day. But yeah, you can study the market every day, but definitely a bad habit is just trying to force trades, even though they're premature, they're not even in your plan. Maybe because it's Monday, post NFP, price may just range around, kind of give us no clarity. And if that happens, then we just sit on our hands, be patient, because patience pays. Hey guys, it's currently 10:22 p.m. Currently got this order set for a short, stops above this high, kind of covering the fair value gap as well. Taking it for a 2.2%. We'll see what happens. Looking at euro dollar, we have pretty much come up, slowed down a little bit based on the 15-minute structure. My break of market structure is here. Obviously there's an internal break of market structure here, but based on the 15-minute, I would have just been waiting for an energetic move out to then retrace into it, or retest into it, sorry. Maybe those on the M5 or M1, M2, M3 may have gotten involved in a trade up here, or the mitigating price up there. And by the way, I'm on night shift mode, I think that's what it's called, which makes my screen kind of yellow, just because it's kind of bedtime for me soon, but I'm just kind of set and forget on this, so we'll see what happens. Good morning guys, happy Tuesday. It's currently Tuesday the 7th of November. As you guys saw from the B-roll, I took that AU short, which I woke up to in profit. I'm currently having café and pan de sal, which is very a common breakfast here. Taste test of the pan de sal. I think this is my first pan de sal here in Philippines. I was waiting for the taho man, pero nagtatampo na ako kasi hindi siya pumunta dito. Subtitles for those who are English. We got a cake! Wow, it's so cute! Happy birthday, Life Club! Yay! Hi guys!
Hi!
Cheers!
Cheers!
Try to make watching the sunset. We're here in San Luis and I've got the cake here, and it's basically been first birthday of Life Club, which is just insane to think that. I think this was in my mind for literally like 3-4 years before I actually built up the courage to go after it.
Ay, ang ganda! Wow! Happy birthday,
So
Life
cute.
Club.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy Wednesday. London Open has just started and I've been in a few trades, so I'm gonna ASR that. I've just been not on the camera so much. I've literally just been sat here getting work done, procrastinating, getting work done, procrastinating. It's just the reality, if I'm just being completely honest. I'm just sending over this London forecast for Life Club, and then I'm gonna continue on with work and just staying focused with the market. That's the most important thing, especially when I have multiple projects around and I'm looking after so many moving parts that have deadlines and I'm under pressure, and it's like I still need to stay sharp, stay focused when I'm looking at the market. So yeah, this is a reaction, I guess, from taking out the sell side. Bear in mind we still have areas on the lower side of discount, which price may still continue to, you know, once it's sort of reacted off of this low, it might start to make its way down. Just keeping that in mind. So there's still areas where price may want to get to, which is down here as well. And then of course you still have areas on this extreme side of the 4-hour range. And for EU on the 4 hours, similar story. We're getting a internal pullback now just based off of NFP momentum that happened. So we can wait and see if price may dig deeper down here, or again the extreme deeper into discount. We won't be shocked at this reaction here, obviously, because we had already pointed out that we had the midpoint of this imbalance as well as obviously this big old order block level. It's been a really good trading week thus far. I feel like mid-October onwards was really good for me. Had a breakthrough month, I guess, in October in some sense. Which is cool because I guess a little like tip here, right, is that when you become so process driven and you really focus on the process rather than the outcome, it's like you get to celebrate gains that are not just monetary, and that's just powerful. It's kind of like a win-win thing, right? Because first of all, you're winning because you're growing, but you're winning because you're helping yourself mentally, that you know that being a good trader just doesn't mean making a lot of money, making a lot of profits or returns. Yeah, that's one thing, that's the physical outcome aspect of it, but it's also like consistency in your forecasting, in your ASR, in your self-talk, in your language, in your performance, in your execution, in how peaceful you actually feel with it all. Some traders so stressed. Look like they aged like 20, 30 years old, like mad. Don't want to be like that. You don't want to aspire to do that or be like that, right? One of the biggest things is you ask traders why they're doing it. They want that freedom, financial freedom. They want to make money, right? Support themselves, support their family, etc., etc. They want that time freedom. Be able to just work on their own terms, maybe even location freedom, travel, do whatever they want, move wherever they want. But then, you know, the big ego trap is making a little bit of money, getting more greedy, and just not being able to stop and think, is this really what I still want? Did I really just end up grinding and hustling and getting into this mentality to then be a slave of this other career, right? So just food for thought, right? Just remember, process driven, growth in terms of your P&L, your statements. Yeah, that's one part of growth, but oh man, there's also growth in other aspects, and don't ever disqualify things like your trading processes and things like that. So just thought I'd share that with the YouTube fam. Also, no Muay Thai for me because your girl got 3 new tattoos. I've actually never shown this one, but you've probably seen it around in my videos. But I've got these 2 tattoos that I got in July with one of my really good friends, and then these 3, as you saw in the B-roll in the video, while I'm out here in the Philippines.